Have you ever wondered how your energy field, something invisible yet so powerful, could be shaping your reality? What if I told you that the information held within this field is influencing the events, relationships, and experiences you attract into your life? Welcome back to The Seeker's Journey, where today we'll dive into the hidden power of your energy field and explore how it interacts with unseen forces like pendulums and mass thought forms to create the world around you. First, let's talk about the energy field, also known as the aura or subtle body. In many spiritual traditions, the energy field is believed to be an invisible force surrounding the physical body. This field is not only made up of the energy that flows within you, but also carries the vibrational frequencies of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. According to ancient Eastern philosophies like Hinduism and Buddhism, the energy field interacts with the chakras, centers of spiritual power within the body, each responsible for different areas of our lives, from survival to self-expression. When your energy flows freely, it creates harmony within, but when it's blocked, it can manifest as emotional or even physical distress. Even in modern teachings, such as those shared by energy healers like Cindy Dale, it's said that our energy field acts like a blueprint, reflecting our inner world. This field constantly interacts with everything around you, and the information it holds, your subconscious thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, radiates out and shapes the way you experience life. So, how does the information in your energy field influence the reality you experience? This concept is closely tied to the law of attraction, popularized by authors like Esther and Jerry Hicks in their book, Ask, and It Is Given. The idea is that the energy you project outward draws similar energy back to you. In other words, the way you feel, think, and believe shapes the experiences and circumstances you attract. For example, if your energy field holds a frequency of fear, self-doubt, or negativity, you're likely to attract experiences that resonate with those lower vibrations. On the other hand, if your energy field is filled with higher vibrations like love, gratitude, and confidence, you naturally begin to attract people, opportunities, and situations that reflect those feelings back to you. This isn't just a spiritual concept, it's also supported by modern quantum theories. Some scientists, such as Dr. Joe Dispenza, explore how thoughts and emotions are forms of energy that influence the quantum field, which is the invisible energy that makes up everything in the universe. Dispenza suggests that by changing the energy you broadcast through your thoughts and emotions, you can literally change the way reality unfolds around you. While your energy field plays a major role in shaping your personal reality, it's also important to recognize the impact of external forces, namely pendulums and mass thought forms. The concept of pendulums comes from Reality Transurfing by Vadim Zeland, a framework that describes how collective thoughts and emotions can form energetic structures that influence large groups of people. Pendulums feed on attention and energy. Think of them as collective beliefs or movements, whether it's the energy behind a political ideology, social media trends, or even mass fear and panic. These pendulums have the power to pull individuals into their rhythm, influencing thoughts, emotions, and actions, sometimes without you even realizing it. This is why engaging too much with fear-based media or certain social trends can feel draining or overwhelming. Mass thought forms are similar, except they represent more subtle societal norms and subconscious expectations. For example, collective beliefs about success, wealth, or relationships can infiltrate your energy field, affecting how you perceive yourself and the world. These thought forms are powerful because they often operate unnoticed, influencing your subconscious without you ever questioning them. The key to freeing yourself from the influence of negative pendulums is awareness. Vadim Zeeland explains that pendulums lose their power when you become aware of their influence and choose not to give them your energy. One way to break free is through non-resistance. Instead of fighting against a pendulum, which only feeds it more energy, you observe it without engaging emotionally. This approach is echoed in many spiritual traditions. In mindfulness and Zen practices, for example, the act of simply observing without judgment is a powerful way to stay grounded in your own energy. By practicing non-attachment, you allow the pendulum to exist without letting it dictate your reality. You can also clear your energy field through techniques like grounding exercises, breathwork, and visualization. These practices help you release any energy that doesn't serve you and realign with your authentic vibration. It's important to recognize that not all pendulums are negative. Positive pendulums exist too, like global meditation movements, collective healing efforts, or even communities that promote kindness and personal growth. When you align your energy with these higher vibration pendulums, you can amplify your own energy and contribute to a greater good. However, even with positive pendulums, staying connected to your personal energy is crucial. The law of attraction, as taught by Esther and Jerry Hicks, emphasizes the importance of aligning with your own vibration first. When you're grounded in your authentic energy, you can consciously choose which pendulums to engage with and still retain your individual power. Now let's put all of this into practice. Here's a simple technique you can use to cleanse your energy field and detach from any negative pendulums or mass thought forms. First, find a comfortable seat and close your eyes. As you inhale deeply, imagine a soft, golden light surrounding your entire body. This light acts as a protective and cleansing force, shielding your energy field from any outside influences. With each breath, feel the golden light becoming brighter, filling your energy field with high vibrational energy. As you exhale, visualize any unwanted energies, thoughts, or attachments leaving your field, dissolving into the air around you. Now take a few moments to observe any pendulums or mass thought forms outside of your field, watching them from a distance without engaging. As you breathe, let these external forces fade away, leaving you clear and centered in your own vibration. Your energy field is the blueprint for the reality you create. By becoming more aware of the energy you project, the information stored within it, and the influence of external forces like pendulums and mass thought forms, you gain the ability to consciously shape your experiences. This isn't just about protecting your energy, it's about reclaiming your power as a conscious creator. By aligning with positive, high vibration energies and detaching from external influences that don't serve you, you're able to manifest a life that reflects your true intentions and desires. So, take a moment today to tune into your energy field. Notice what feels aligned and gently let go of anything that feels out of place. By practicing awareness and grounding yourself in your authentic vibration, you can stay in tune with the reality you want to create. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are some ways you keep your energy field clear and aligned? Let me know in the comments below how you navigate pendulums or protect your energy from mass thought forms. Your insights might help others on their own journey, and we can continue learning and growing together as a community. If you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to join me on the Seeker's journey as we continue exploring the mysteries of the self and the universe. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already to keep growing together. Let's seek, grow, and be here. Now, until next time, stay grounded and take care.